So in this video we're going to be checking over this Hyundai i30. Now this is a new car on the channel, but if you remember the red Kia Ceed, this is the car that has replaced that. So in this video we're going to be checking it over for its MOT. As you can see in the video, I've started by checking the lights, the washers. I'm pressing the horn there, which you won't hear because obviously I've got the video muted, because obviously I have music on in the background. So I mute all my videos mainly for that reason. So now we're going to have a look inside the engine bay, check obviously the fluids and the brake pipes that I can see and stuff, and then obviously just have a look underneath the car, check the tyres, the brakes, the suspension and so on. Same as basically I do in every MOT check video. So I've checked the passenger side front wheel, the tyres okay, the brakes are okay, the suspension all looks okay. Now I'm doing the same on the driver's side, and the same on the driver's side, the tyre looks okay, the brakes look okay, the suspension looks okay. This car hasn't done a lot of miles. To be honest, it's a bit like the white one, obviously the white i30 that I look after. Obviously they're from the same family, the husband and wife own them. This one's done just under 40,000, I think, mileage, and it's 2014, 2013, so it hasn't done a lot of miles. But yeah, at the front, all the suspension, tyres and everything is okay. I'm just obviously having a quick look underneath the front here, as you can see in the video, just checking everything. It's really clean underneath. It's not in bad condition at all, and obviously that is because of the mileage. Really, it hasn't done a lot, but yeah, everything at the front of the car is looking okay from what I can see. Now we're going to check the back of the car, which we're going to start with the rear wheels. Obviously we're making sure the handbrake is holding. and we're making sure it's releasing okay. As you can see here in the video, which it is. Obviously I'm going to check the tyre, which the tyre looks good, all the tyres look good on it. I'm also checking the brakes, and I'm checking the suspension, and just obviously having a good look at everything, just to see if there's anything that I can see that's going to be an issue. Now we're doing the same on the passenger side, rear wheel that we did on the driver's side. We're just checking everything just to make sure that everything is okay. Obviously the tyre, the brakes, the suspension and so on. And then I'm going to go underneath the back of the car and have a good look around, make sure everything is okay. And then I've just got to check the rear lights. I might start doing these videos a little bit differently, like checking the lights when I'm checking the car for an MOT or servicing, because the ramp is basically at the back of my garage and there's not much space between the back of the car and the wall. And the reason I've got the ramp there is so that I can get the car in front if I need to, if obviously something's stuck on the ramp, because I like to have my Golf and my MR2 basically inside. I don't knock them outside unless they really have to be. So that's why the ramp's at the back, as far back as I can have it. But I might start doing them a bit differently. Like I said, check the lights before I put the car on the ramp, because it is difficult to check them when it's backed up on the ramp like the car is now. But we'll see, that's for another video anyway. So yeah, the back of the car, the brake wise, tyre wise, suspension wise, everything is okay. Also I'm just checking the handbrake here, make sure that's holding. And now I'm going to have a good look underneath and see if I can see any issues underneath. So I'm now under the back of the car, I'm checking obviously the suspension and just having a good look, checking the exhaust, making sure the brackets are okay on the exhaust, and just basically looking at everything as you can see here in the video. So I'm just checking all the rear lights on the car, and they're all working apart from the driver's number plate light. But if you see in the video, I tapped it and it started working again. But I will check this before it goes through its MOT, and if it has stopped working, I'll just put another bulb in it. Obviously I will update you on the MOT, whether it's passed or failed, or advise you and so on. But that's it for this video.